Welcome to the Meditation Explainer series. Today we are exploring why many of us sit when we meditate. Meditation can take many forms, including sitting, standing, lying down and walking. Today we are going to explore why sitting is the preferred position for many practitioners. The reason why many people choose to sit is that we tend to be more focused and attentive when sitting. It's also easier to notice if we're becoming tired, in which case we might start swaying, or if we're trying too hard, in which case our posture may become very rigid. It's also very easy to fall asleep or lose awareness when you lie down, and if you're moving, it can be sometimes hard to monitor your breath. Sitting doesn't need to happen on the floor. You can sit on a chair with your feet firmly on the ground, on a cushion with crossed legs, or on the edge of a bed. Try these tips and see what works for you. Sit straight and tall, letting the spine rise up out of the pelvis and creating a natural bend in your back with a bit of softness to your posture. Remember that this isn't a military drill. Ensure your head is up in alignment with the natural curve in your spine. Some people like to tuck their chin in slightly. If you're sitting on a meditation cushion, try to prop yourself up so your hips are slightly higher than your knees. If you're on the floor, you might try sitting with your legs crossed. If sitting in a chair, consider moving slightly to the front of the seat, planting your feet firmly on the floor. You may place a pillow behind your lower back or under your hips for added support. Place your hands on your thighs near your knees or clasp them together in your lap. Note any tension in your body and try to see if you can let it go with an exhale. Allow your shoulders to drop slightly and let your jaw drop a little so that you're not clenching. Let yourself sink into your base, feeling contact with the cushion, floor, or chair. If you decide to keep your eyes open, lower your gaze so you're looking slightly downward. Maintain awareness of your posture in the background of your mind while you practice. A change in your posture can reflect a change in your level of alertness and help you to adjust your practice. And remember, if you have another question, the Contemplative Study Centre are here to help. And as always, we wish you an enriching meditation experience.